Please bear with me. No, so I'm Jenny Cedillo. I'm an OB-GYN by profession. I've been in Riway since 2018. So 7 years na po, no? But I started as consumer. Actually, I was very skeptic at first, no? Hindi po ako naniniwala. That's why after purchasing one set of therapy, hindi ko po agad yun ininom. After 6 months, tsaka ako lang po ininom just because para ako magkaka-flu. So para ma-prevent si flu, I took the product. Actually, dun sa 6 months na yun, gusto ko na nga po, gusto na yung mag-asawa, ibenta na lang para mabalik yung pera. No? Kaso, kung hindi mo pa po na-try, hindi ka confident sa product, you cannot share to other people. So, hindi rin po namin ma-recommend sa iba kasi baka naman yung credibility namin mawala, di ba po, masira. So, today I want to share with you what this company is all about. No, so we know our company is Riway, and sabi nga, sabi ni Nathan, it stands for right way. Yeah, no. So, yung ating logo, as we know, stands for our 6 core values. Tama po? Yeah, no. So, sabi nga rin ni Sir Melvin, no, ang nagustuhan niya dito is the value din, no, na binibigay sa kanya ng company. So, I want to share with you a story kung anong value ba talaga ang pwedeng mabigay sa atin ng ating company na Riway International, no. So, I'm going to share with you a story of a very special person. The story of my mom. Ito po yung mami ko in 2018. No, 7 years ago. She was 70 years old during that time. She was invited to a product presentation in Robinson's Place, Las Piñas. She's a chemical engineer, pero hindi po niya na-practice yung kanyang profession kasi gusto niya, very hands-on mom po siya eh. Gusto niya na nasa school na kami bago she will do her own thing. So, sabi niya, kung mag-e-empleyado siya, hindi niya magagawa yun. Hindi niya kami matututukan na alagaan. So, rumakit-raket. Halos lahat po na-try niya, no? Avon, Tupperware, real estate, traditional business, no? Before I remember, nung bata ako, meron kaming mini grocery, until na-shift siya sa boutique, no? Before pandemic, meron siyang boutique, na pwesto sa SM Center, Las Piñas. No? So, si Mami, sobrang masipag talaga, no? And despite na hindi niya na-practice yung profession niya, she feels fulfilled kasi nga, being a mom, gusto niya talaga mapalaki kami ng maayos, 4 na anak, no? And so, si Mami, nung na-invite mo siya sa product presentation, since she's already in her 70s, no, 70 years old, so gusto niya makainom ng product. Siyempre, 70 years old, talagang may pangangailangan na po sa stem cells. Tama po? She knows yung health condition niya, yung condition ng katawan niya, yung mga nararamdaman niya sa katawan niya. So, gusto niya pong makainom ng Portier. But then, of course, when we are introduced into something new, gusto natin tanungin po ang doktor. Di ba po? Lalo na po, si Mami ay high blood, so meron siyang maintenance sa high blood. So, gusto niya itanong kung safe ba ito na i-take niya. So, dahil dalawa po kasi kaming anak niyang doktor, ang ate ko po ay internal medicine, infectious disease specialist. Una niya natanong yung ate ko. Sabi ng ate ko, naku, Mami, huwag kang maniwala dyan. Hindi totoo yan. Ang mahal-mahal niyan. Networking lang yan. Sabi gano'n sa kanya. So, nagulat pa siya bakit alam ng ate ko na networking daw ito, no? So, despite the objection po ng ate ko, when I visited their house, tinanong pa rin niya ako kung ano sa tingin ko. Siguro kasi talagang gusto niya makainom, no? And then, sabi ko lang sa kanya, ano ba sabi ni ate? Kasi syempre, ate ko po yung internist, I'm an OB-GYN. So, ano sabi ng internist? Ang sabi daw niya, wag. So, sabi ko lang, di wag. Sabi ko lang kung gano'n, no? Without even asking anong name ng product, anong laman, anong pwede mong maging benefits dyan, no? I just right away said, di wag. No? So, but si Mami po, siguro dahil naisip naman niya, since chemical engineer din naman siya, naintindihan niya yung mga ingredients, yung technology, and siya yung naka-attend ng presentation, despite our objections, she still bought one set of therapy. No? And we are very thankful na hindi po siya nakinig sa amin. Kasi ito po siya after taking, no? So, sorry, medyo hindi kasya sa screen yung slides, no? Pero, bumata po ba?
Yes!
Yes, definitely, no? She did not just look younger, she felt younger, she had a greater stamina, she had a different kind of glow. Nag-iba yung aura, no? Kasi syempre, pag nare-repair, nare-regenerate po yung nasa loob natin, it shows on the outside, no? So yan, po si Mami after 1 year. So 70 years old and then 71 years old. So, sabi ko nga, yung ating logo represents our 6 core values. So initially, na-attain na niya, healthy lifestyle. Not just that, no? After taking, kaya na nila ni Daddy mag-jump shot. In their 70s, no? And sila po, dahil nga sila naman ay very lucky talaga, very blessed, na hindi sila pa in their 70s kailangan ng mga wheelchair, ganyan, no? They really make it a point na nakakapag-travel sila. No? Kami, family, we really love to travel, especially for our parents, kasi these are things na hindi nila nagawa nung pinag-aaral pa kami. So we make it a point habang kaya pa nila, habang na-enjoy pa nila, we travel from time to time. No? So yan. And then po, na-enjoy din niya dito, marami pang travels. No? She started in Riway, May 2018. June 2018 lang, may travel na agad to Singapore. Yes. Kasama niya, medyo naputol, ayan, yung dad ko, and yung brother niya, si Uncle Roger. They attended a gala dinner in Singapore. Yes, no? So, after that, 3 months after lang, may travel ulit to Hong Kong. September 2018. Ito po, no, dito sa September 2018, this is recognition night, Leaders Recognition Night. And ang mga kasama po niya dyan ay mga senior citizens. Ang hindi lang senior citizen, ang ating Team Elite Pavos, yung Magluhang Baro. But the rest, mga senior citizens po. And they are there because they were able to achieve rank. A-awardan po sila. So, meaning to say, these are senior citizens who were able to achieve rank, who were able to earn 6 digits in 1 month in Relay. Diba? So, attending these events, no, you also get to develop your social skills, our second core value. Diba po, no? And then, the last travel we had before the pandemic was a leadership training seminar in Bangkok in November 2019. So this time, kasama na po kami ng aking husband. Yes, no? Pati ang anak kasama na po, no? So, this is a training seminar. We know, no, our company conducts recognition night, training seminar quarterly. Ginagastusan po talaga ng company to make sure that we succeed in this company. No? And syempre, because when we attend three-way trainings, ano bang tinuturo dyan? Usually, to do the right things. To do things the right way. Diba po? So you also develop the third core value, which is right thinking. Kasi even, di ba, tinuturo sa atin, you prioritize relationship over business, kahit hindi ka muna kumita, basta you prioritize relationship, things like that, no? When you attend, parang ang tinuturo sa church, yun din ang tinuturo sa atin when we go to Riway training.
Yes.
Yan. And then, 4 months into Riway, si Mami po, she was able to purchase her brand new car. Because on that month, she earned 1 month income po niya is enough to buy a brand new Vios. 4 months in the company. No? Si Mami, since nag-start siya sa Riway, is 70 years old na siya. Kung nag-start siya rocket in her 20s, So mga 50 years na po siyang naghahanap ng kung anong racket ang maganda. After 50 years pa niya natagpuan si Riway, and she said wala talagang opportunity na katulad kay Riway. With the 50 years experience, sabi niya, there's no other company like Riway International. Because where can you find a company that will give such a big opportunity to a 70-year-old woman to achieve her goals like this?
Yes.
Sa labas, hindi ko po sure kung may makikita kayong ganyan. So, yan. So, na-achieve niya rin yung another core value, which is the financial goals. And then, on her 75th birthday, nilibre niya po kami buong family sa Japan.
Wow!
Yes. And sabi niya, kung wala siya sa Riway, hindi po niya yan magagawa. So, aside from financial goals, family values, another core value of our company. No? And now, medyo hindi na siya nakikita kasi she's staying at home na mostly with the apo. No, ang mga apo kasi gustong-gusto lagi doon sa lolo's house. Kasi sa lolo's house daw libre aircon. Pag sinabing gusto ng Jollibee, grab food. Pag bukas ng ref, ang daming pwedeng drinks. Pagpunta sa pantry, ang daming pwedeng pagkain. No? So, yan, no, ma-achieve mo yan because of the financial goals you achieve in this company. No? You also improve your family values. No? And just last year, my parents celebrated their 50th wedding anniversary. Yes. And I'm really very thankful to God, no, that they were able to reach this milestone. Because not everyone is given a chance to reach this milestone. At the same time, even if other people are able to reach this far, not everyone has the capability or the capacity to celebrate like this.
Yes.
So we are really very thankful to God, no? And then, of course, ito po mga core values na pwede nating ma-achieve dito sa Riway, even when you are already in your 70s. Diba po? And syempre, when you find something na maganda, sino ba ang next mong gustong mag-benefit? Yes, of course, your family, no? That's why si Mami po, she started to share within the family about this opportunity. Kaya alam niyo na po kung bakit ako nandito. And syempre, sinong mom ang nasa right mind niya na pinag-aral niya ng sobrang tagal ang anak niyang doktor, tapos dadalhin niya sa isang company na hindi maganda? Di ba po? Siyempre siya yung gumastos pag-aaral di ba? So, siyempre, kung alam niya hindi ito maganda, she will not bring her family here. But because she knows for herself na maganda po ang Riway, she invited the family, and in our family, we already have 7-star achievers. Meaning to say, in our family alone po, meron ng 7 na naka-achieve ng 6 digits pataas na income in 1 month. Yes. What more sa buong Pilipinas? What more sa buong mundo? Di ba po? Yan. And so, syempre, when we are always taught to do the right thing, of course, we also achieve the last core value, which is spiritual growth. Di ba po? And dito kasi sa Riway, when you do Riway, you always feel so blessed. Tama po? Yes. And when you feel so blessed, you tend to always thank God talaga. And you tend to be closer to Him. Diba po? So, talagang papasok din yung spiritual growth. Diba po? Yan. And then, so what do we do in this business? Paano nga ba gawin ang Riway business? No? How do we succeed in Riway? No? In Riway, laging sinasabi, this is not a selling business. Pero, hindi ko po yun naiintindihan before kasi wala naman ako experience po sa ganitong company. Kasi for me, everything naman starts in selling. Di ba po? If you won't sell, you won't succeed rin in Riway. But yung sinasabi nila, this is not a selling business, don't focus on selling the product. Kasi there are so many things that we can sell in Relay. You can sell your leader, you can sell our events, you can sell our company, you can sell our values, no? Kasi if you focus on selling the product, you will just get active income.
Correct.
And ayaw natin na active income lang. Kaya nga ako nag-Relay, di ba po? Kasi in my profession, I'm self-employed. If I stop working, I stop earning.
Correct.
Pero hindi titigil si Meralco, si Maynila. Hindi ako titigil kumain.
Correct.
Di ba po? Kaya ang daming mga doctors, if you notice, even in their 70s, 80s, as long as kaya pa nilang mag-work, they still work. Because if you do not build passive income, you will have to work until you die. And syempre, ayaw po natin yun. Di ba po? So how do we succeed in this business? We build a team. Don't focus on selling the product, but build a team. And how do you build a team? No, you establish relationship. Ang relationship, hindi po yan na-develop overnight. Ang team, hindi rin po yan na-develop overnight. So we have to bring our leaders to events. To office events, to company events, no? So this is what we do in this business, no? Ganito po gagawin natin para gawin ang Relay business, no? We eat together.
Wow.
We learn together, attending all the training seminars, no? Whether local or international. We party together,
Yeah.
attending our gala dinners, our recognition nights, no? Yan. So alam naman natin, quarterly din po yan, no? Talagang ginagastusan niya ng company to make sure that we succeed. But we also have to maximize.
Correct.
We travel together.
Yes.
Yes, no? Yan po yung pinakamagandang bonding talaga. Kasi lalo na ang ating travels, libre.
Yes.
Di ba po? As long as you qualify, of course. Yan. So, hanggang 2023 lang po. Sorry, hindi ko na na-update ang aking slides. Yan. So, yan po yung mga gagawin natin in order to succeed in Relay. Of course, it will not happen overnight. But, consistency is the key. No? So, we just keep on doing it until we will realize we already have a team. Kasi hindi naman po talaga yan nangyayari overnight, no? And, as easy as it sounds, syempre hindi rin talaga po ganun kadali, no? So, pero if we just persist, for sure, no, we will achieve here in Relay International. So yan po, no, those are the 6 core values that we can achieve in this company. So I hope I was able to enlighten you what kind of company this is, what are the things you can achieve in this company, whether you are a senior citizen, retiree, a professional, a millennial, or whatsoever, no? Kahit sino po pwede. So, before I end, siguro, I would like to share a story with you, kung okay lang.